welcome to TestQuill. So today we are going to do a topic from grammar, which is parts of speech. So speech means to talk, like whatever we talk, that is our speech. So parts of speech is basically in a sentence there are a lot of different words and each word has a certain function to perform and each word is having a specific meaning. It belongs to a certain category that is known as parts of speech. They are basically of 8 types. First one is noun, then pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, prepositions, conjunction and interjection. So in this video we are gonna discuss a little bit about it because in future I'm gonna come up with detailed videos about each topic. So yes, for that make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and you have also hit the bell button so that you're getting notified. Let's just continue further with parts of speech. Talking about nouns, noun refers to name of any place, of a person or any things, even it could be any ideas or concepts. So for example, Michael is a good boy. So Michael and boy, both of these are nouns. Melbourne is the best city. City and Melbourne. Melbourne is a name of a city in Australia. So that is a noun. So nouns are basically names, naming words. Moving on, we have adjective. Now adjectives are the words which modify or describes a noun in a sentence. Noun would be any naming word and adjectives will define them or describe them or maybe modify them in a sentence. For example, Raj loves his beautiful daughters. His daughters also love their caring father. So how daughters look? They look beautiful. So beautiful is adjective and it is describing daughters, which is a noun. Then his daughters also love their caring father. So father is caring. So caring is the word which is describing father. How is father? He's caring. So these are called adjectives. Moving on, we have pronoun. Now pronoun are the words which are used in place of nouns so that we don't need to repeat them again and again in a sentence. For example, Rahul works with Seema. Rahul likes working with Seema. Rahul and Seema do many projects together and it's cumbersome to take names of Rahul and Seema again and again. Instead of that, we can say Rahul works with Seema. He likes working with her. They do many projects together. As simple as that. I hope pronouns is clear to you. Alright, next topic is verb. So verb are the action words or it could be any state. Like I'll give you an example that how it could be a state and also it has a tense. Verb shows an action or an ongoing condition and also it is considered as the heart of a sentence for the obvious reasons. Okay, because in a sentence when you want to define some action, of course you have to use verbs. You have to use the action words. Okay, for example, Shreya is going home. She loves her home. So Shreya is going home. Is going is your verb. She loves her home. Loves is a verb. He ate a cake. Ate is a verb. John plays football 3 times a week. Plays again a verb. I am a teacher. Now I am a teacher. This is a state or a situation and this is also a verb here. I am a teacher. Am is our verb. Okay. In further videos, we will know more about verbs, like the type of the verbs and how we use them in a sentence. All of that we'll do, but in the future videos. Alright, let's move on. Next topic is adverb. Now adverbs are the words which modify or describe any adjectives, any verbs or even other adverbs. Okay, and most oftenly they answer the question that when, where, how, or how much. So all these questions are answered. For example, he's running fast. Now, how is he running? He's running fast. So fast is your adverb here. Then she always read attentively. So always and attentively, both of these are adverbs. Okay. Mostly adverbs, they have ly at the end. So you can just guess from there that mostly it will have ly. Alright. Next is preposition. Now prepositions, they tell us the relationship between nouns or pronouns. Okay. For example, I'm going to France. So to is your preposition here. Where I'm going to France. So it's, making a relationship between me and France. So I am going to France. Then France is in Europe. So in Europe. So where is France? It's in Europe. So France is related to Europe with the preposition in. Okay, now next topic and next part of speech, that is conjunction. Conjunction is any word which connects nouns, or it could be noun phrases, it could be clauses or sentences. So it will connect them. That word is conjunction. For example, Julie loves chocolate and chips. So chocolate and chips. Then she loves pasta, but she hates pizza. So and in the first sentence and but in the second sentence is a conjunction. Now the last topic, that is interjection. Now interjections are the words which are going to express your emotions. For example, if you say, oh, that feels terrible. Now here maybe you are sad. Alas, they have lost the match. So you are feeling sad about that. So alas is also interjection. Okay. So guys, that was it with parts of speech. Do share, like, subscribe, and if you have any doubts you can comment as well. And hopefully we are coming up with new videos, and please share it with the people who want to learn English and who want to learn grammar. So yeah, I will see you soon. Till then, take good care of yourself and keep studying.